Hello everyone, my name is Chef Abhinav. I'm the sous chef pastry at Conrad Bangalore. We'll take you through a small video of chocolate and hazelnut soft center muesli. Add 100 grams of hazelnut and 20 ml of water in your pan. Take 150 grams of sugar, put in a pan. Stir it continuously until you get caramelized hazelnut. Make sure that you get a nice caramel color and nuttiness of hazelnut. After you are done, take a sill pad and put your mixture for cooling down. Take an electronic mixer, put your cooled down nuts and caramel into that mixer. Take 20 grams of cocoa butter, put in that mixer and then just blend it up to a smooth paste. Take a silicone pad, pour your mixture into silicone pad in each column. Make sure that the thickness is just half inches. Take 80 grams of egg white, put egg white into a KitchenAid machine. If you don't have KitchenAid machine at your house, just use whisk. Whisk it until you get a soft peak. Take 40 grams of caster sugar, put it into the mixture, keep on whisking it until the caster sugar dissolves into it properly. Take a mixing bowl, take 80 grams of hazelnut powder, put into your mixing bowl. Take 40 grams of icing sugar, mix it into a hazelnut powder. Take 2 number whole egg and put it into egg white mixture. Keep on whisking it. Mix your dry ingredients and meringue all together with a cut and fold method. Just make sure you get a nice smooth paste, but do not overdo it or else the air of meringue will go away. You can see in the video I am using a cut and fold method. Take a parchment paper lined baking tray, put your mixture into that and top your mixture with some roasted hazelnut on top. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 9 minutes. Take a cooking cream in a pan, mix it well. It is 80 grams of cooking cream. Take half of vanilla bean, slit it into 2 parts, take out the pods and just mix those pods into a cooking cream. Mix it well and boil it until you get bubbles on top. Boil it, stir it well. Take a bowl, put 100 grams of chocolate calyx. Put your cooking cream on top, mix it well until you get a smooth ganache. Put 5 grams of gelatin into that, mix it well. Take 50 grams of hazelnut paste, put into your ganache and mix it well. Take 120 grams of whipped cream, put it in hazelnut ganache and fold it. Now your hazelnut mousse is ready. We will take out the sponge after baking. You can see the sponge is nicely baked. We'll take it out on our chopping board. We'll take out roundels for assembling the final dessert. Take a mixing bowl, put 100 grams of flour, 40 grams of caster sugar, 2 grams of baking powder, mix it well. Take 5 whole egg, mix it well until you get a smooth batter. Take 10 grams of hazelnut paste, put it into the batter, mix it well. Take a spuma gun, put your batter into that, close it well, shake it for 10 seconds. Take a micro safe containers, put the mixture into that and bake it for 2 minutes 30 seconds. Take it out and you have your micro sponge ready. If you don't have the espuma gun, you can directly bake the mixture. We have hazelnut mousse ready with us, hazelnut coins, hazelnut sponge, and we will work on assembling it. We have a mold. You can take your own mold of your choice. Just assemble it, put hazelnut mousse at the bottom of the mold. Layer your dessert accordingly as shown in the image by using all three ingredients. We have hazelnut sponge, hazelnut coin. Again, top up with the hazelnut sponge. With the help of a palette knife, flat it and take out the extra mousse from your mold, and you have your dessert ready with you. We will freeze it into a deep freezer for 5 hours. We will take it out from the freezer and top up with a hazelnut ganache. You can see the nice shiny texture on top. Now we will move to funnel plating. We'll start the plating. As you can see, my plating ingredients, I have put everything together. We'll start the plating. Always remember, you can do plating of your own, but you need to do it with love. You can see I have taken hazelnut ganache and just brushing it all over the plate. I have taken the hazelnut mousseline, put in the center. As you can see, you can do it on your own according to your choice. Plating is always, when you do it with love, it should look good, it should taste good. So I am just putting few roasted hazelnut on my mousseline. You can see I am just assembling it. Put hazelnut cream on top and put any chocolate garnish. I am using pulled chocolate, but you can use any chocolate garnish on top of your choice. Put some micro sponge and micro greens on your platter. And here your chocolate and hazelnut mousseline dessert is ready.